how to go viral on YouTube. So you are a new YouTuber and you're struggling. I don't know what to do anymore. I am having 10 views. I am having 5 views. This video is for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Oluisola. This channel is about YouTube growth, learning different software to make your life easy, and about wealth creation. If any of these things resonates with you, hit that subscribe button as we delve into today's business. So like I was saying, do you want your videos to go viral? Are you wondering, why does this algorithm hate me? Why does this YouTube algorithm, why does it not want me to grow? This video is for you. The algorithm does not hate you. The algorithm does not even know your face. So it's not possible for the algorithm to hate you. So stay till the end, because there are things that you need to understand about the algorithm so that your videos can go viral, so that you have views and you have subscribers. And that is why I am here. I'm going to explain to you step by step and from experience. I'm also a new YouTuber right now, and there are things we need to do to ensure that we grow. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you should do. Stay till the very end, because you will get the main things you need. If you click off, honestly, you will miss out so much. So stay till the very end, because every steps affect the other step. So understanding that YouTube is for the audience and not for you is the first step that you really need to take. YouTube is a business, so it's not meant for you to just create. There is a reason you are creating. So they want you to create what can keep their customers on the platform. And that's why you see that the more views you get, the more money you make when you monetize. Okay, so they want people to stay in the platform so that they can watch all the advertisement that various companies like Apple and different tech companies are advertising. If you can produce videos that will make them stay, that will make their customers stay, which are the audience from various parts of the world, definitely the algorithm will also give you what you need. So the strategy is give the YouTube algorithm what it needs, then you get what you need from the YouTube algorithm. So how are you going to give them what they want? It is very, very simple. I believe that you have a niche. Let me explain a niche. So you have a YouTube channel and you're like, okay, this my YouTube channel is about cooking, is about fashion, is about, those are niches. It's about wealth creation, like mine. It's about software learning, like mine. Those are niches. So in these niches, the people that watch content from these niches, there are specific things that they are interested in. Your job is to do a research and look for what they are interested in. So how are you going to do this? In your niche, just go and check all the creators in your niche. I don't like using the word competition, because the sky is big enough for all of us to fly. Okay, so go on your niche, look at the topics that people are watching. What are those videos that are giving views and views upon views upon views? You should know that there is something about those topics that the audience are interested in. So you also have to create related topics, the same things that they are watching. You create your own in your own unique way. We are not all the same. So create your unique videos, but using what they are interested in. Remember, the rule is you want to keep the YouTube audience in the YouTube platform, right? So look for those things they are interested in and also create videos in related topics, and you will get the views. Because as long as they are clicking on those videos that you saw that they have a lot of views, if you make the same kind of video, they will also click. Forget about the fact that, but they've seen it before. Repetition is the law of deep and lasting impression. There is still a reason they are watching and watching and watching. So that's the thing you need to do. If not, you will keep producing videos. Like I said, YouTube is not for you. It is for the audience. If you think that, I think this is what they need, and that's not what they need, they will not watch your videos. After creating the related videos, then the next thing you will do is, there is something that will attract them to come and click on the video. You also need to ensure that they click on that your video, okay? Because if they don't click on the video, whether you created it wonderfully or not, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't achieve the goal of you getting your views. The next thing you're going to do is to make sure you create related thumbnails, okay? Those thumbnails that they are clicking. There is something about it. It can be the color. Most times when you want to do thumbnails, use contrasting color that when they see like this, like, oh, something is flashing in my eyes, okay? Let it flash in their eyes and they will come and click it. And then when they click it, the first few words that you say is very, very important. The first few words that you say. So if they click on it and you're just talking what is not interesting to them, they will click off because they don't have time to waste. They clicked on your video for a reason, so you have to give them that reason they clicked on it. Okay, so that's what we call the hook. So you have to hook them so that you keep them in your video. Remember, YouTube wants to keep them on the platform, and your video is an avenue to keep them on the platform. So a hook. So for instance, if they come because they are struggling with their finances, and when they click on it, you're talking about how you ate egusi soup and the egusi soup is very nice before you start your financial talk, they will click off. That's not the reason. They came from a place of pain, okay? But immediately they click it and you're already telling them that you see your finances. Yes, I know it can be very difficult. Based on my experience, I've been in poverty before, but now I'm out of. They'll be like, wow, I'm interested in how you came out of poverty. They will stay and they will want to know what steps did you take. So don't go around. Just make sure you go straight to the point. And in going straight to the point, please don't give the real juice immediately, because once they get what they want, they will click off. So engage them in such a way that you will take them in the journey from step to step. They will patiently listen because they want that problem to be solved. So these are the things that you need to do to make sure your video go viral. Another thing you need to do is, one video going viral is not enough for you, okay? We want you to grow, so you have to keep bringing value consistently. You can choose your time. Is it twice a week? Is it once a week? But if you're a new YouTuber, it is better to have at least 2 videos come up every week. If possible, do a challenge like I did, 30 days, every day. I was putting up a video every single day on YouTube, okay? So you can do that because that will also help you. It will give your channel enough data, especially if you are just starting and you don't have videos yet. But by the time you have up to maybe 40 videos, 50 videos, you can slow down if you want. That is, if you cannot keep up at that pace, because I understand how difficult it can be. But consistently bring the same value. What is the next topic that is going viral? Do your own about it and also come. And you'll see that this YouTube will be on that easy mode that everybody is talking about for you. Thank you very much. I want to believe that you've gained something from this. And if you really want to grow, engage here. Comments can bring you subscribers. It is not sub for sub. There are comments that you can put in videos that are in your niche and people will be like, wow, who is this? And they will come and click on your channel. And honestly, if you have great videos, once they watch one of your videos, they're like, wow, this is, I resonate with this person, and they will subscribe and they will be loyal. Because one thing is for people to subscribe, another thing is for them to be loyal, that when, in fact, they look up to your videos. So that value is very, very important. Comment in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.